Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guide, I will be showing you how to check your payout status on Stockx. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch from now till the end. Now there is a couple of things to check before you can get to check your payout status. First of all, you need to check if you do have enough balance so you can proceed with the payouts. Now what is a balance? A balance is basically as you can see here, the balance is a feature that allows you to store earnings from your sales directly to your Stockx wallet. And you can earn 5% back in Stockx reward credit when using that balance to purchase on Stockx. Now, balance sometimes could be used to basically as a payout. For example, you have selected that you want to keep a certain amount of your money as a balance, and later on you didn't find really an interesting product. So you would like to use it as a payout and basically withdraw the money. This is something that you could use it for it. Now, how can we check our payout status? As you have enough balance or you have enough sold, these are essential. And then you simply have to go here. So this is how you can track your payouts. So here, as you can see, each payout will have a description. So payouts go through various stages while being processed. Updates are noted on your account to keep you apprised of your funds and when you can expect them. So it's very basic. Let's go to the recent payout that you have made, and you will find that the payout has a description next to it. As you can see, it goes through multiple stages. So even while being proceed. So it will be updated during the time, and you will be noted as the updates are gonna be sent to you and gonna be next to the actual payouts. It's gonna be like a description for you to read them, to understand what's happening, and so you can know when to expect the money. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.